Chapter 7, Example 3. What we have here is timing diagram. This timing diagram completely describes a function. What we want to do is generate the circuit for this. What we're going to do is generate an equation. We won't have to generate the circuit. We could do a high-level black box diagram, which is also always a good start. There's our high-level BBD of this problem. We'll actually be good citizens here and put appropriate labels on it. So what I'm interested in here is all the different signal values. And so to make this problem clear, I am going to delineate these very clearly. So next thing I want to do here is list what each of these values are. We're going to say, does it really matter? Okay, so that means this number here is going to be a 1, 0, 1, which is a 5. And we're going to step through this whole diagram here. 1, 1, 1, which is a 7, 0, 1, 1, which is a 3, 0, 0, 1, which is a 1, 0, 0, 0, which is a 0. And I think we're done. So we have this sitting here. Now we could write this directly, but I think for this problem I'm going to go for writing a truth table. So here we go on the truth table. So we're going to read off this line here and fill in this truth table. When the inputs is a 5, which is 1, 0, 1, the output's a 0. Inputs are 7, the output's 1. Inputs are 3, the output's a 0. Inputs a 1, the output's 1. Inputs a 0, the output's 1. Inputs a 4, the output's 0. Inputs a 1, we got to check this. It is in fact 1, that matches. Inputs a 6, the output is a 1, that matches. Output's a 0. That matches this output. 2 should be a 0, and we've completed the table, so we can write an equation for this. What we're interested in is the rows where the output has a 1. Okay, so we're going to write an equation for that. F equals, I can do this because I see there's 3 terms there. Now I'm going to fill these in. So here's the first one. It's A naught, B naught, C naught. Second one is A naught, B naught, C. And the last one, I don't need to put any overbars over it. And so this is our equation. We could build the circuit if we wanted to. We just don't want to go through all that trouble drawing that thing.